Right, so in this video I show you how to glue the screen or place the screen of an Oppo a57. So anyway, we want to remove, assuming you needed to remove the whole screen, disconnect that fiber and that, and then this should come out after you disconnected that, and then just like that, twist this around and you'll have this available. Now we place adhesive where we now the adhesive has gotten ideas. All right, I use E8000 because it provides a very strong bond anyway. Okay, put along the length of the phone, and then that side too. Okay, nah, I don't know whether I should fill in here, but let me do. Okay, the next is to place around the edges of the screen. Okay, around the ends, and then those two further along that edge. Okay, fill in somewhere there, and fill in somewhere there. Okay, all right, fill in somewhere there and somewhere there. Okay, we give it some 2 minutes to evaporate a little so that we might be able to close. Yes, George. It has worked. It has worked.
Yes, it does. I'm back.
I know 2 minutes haven't elapsed, but let's bring it together. So we begin with the connector for the touch, right there. Okay, and then connect the screen. Actually, push it in, not connect. Right there, and then bring this down carefully. My lights are choosing to burn me. All right, so having done that, then bring the motherboard into place. Okay, I think it needs to go back part first. All right, like that. So plug in the touch. Didn't feel it snapping, but it had already. Okay, now be sure to connect this coaxial cable back. And first secure it in there like that, in there like that, around there, and then plug in, sir, please. All right. Okay. That's that, and that's there, and that's there. So we bring this in here. This goes right there, and then this other one on top first screw. So we begin from the edges, right there. I think these are the right ones. It is painful to put the wrong screw. Okay, that there. Then bring this here. Okay, so those are the crucial parts. This area should also receive, albeit I don't see the screw. Okay, which part am I interested in? It's a piece of metal that fell, but I do not know whether it belonged to this phone or some other phone. Yeah, it belongs to this. And so let's bring the battery down into place, plug it in. And fortunately today I was a bit scattered, so I didn't keep the things together, which should have been the right way of doing things. Okay, found some more screws, and let me just confirm a thing or two here. Okay, right. Okay. I need to see if this rubber belongs here. It's supposed to redirect or guide the proximity sensor such that not nice, not nice. Having to retrace your steps, but nice. But then again, at least I didn't close the phone entirely, so it's not as bad. Yeah, so we need to put this down here. Wait a minute. I do not know why it chose to come out, but it should be covering that. It helps prevent spillover from there, which normally will cause you issues. The screen going black after you receive a call. Yeah, so thank God I saw it early. Usually it should have stayed in the frame. Why it came out, I also don't know. Perhaps to make this video a little longer, I don't know. So we go and plug that back in there. Okay. Plug that. So the thing is not going easy on me. Okay, need this to go in under there. Okay, now we bring our screws. Okay, that's there. All of a sudden I seem to have more screws than I can consume. Bring that there. Oh, and then this there. So yeah, I believe we should be good to go. I believe so. I believe we should be good to go. So I'm just going to put this screw right here to press this down so it can touch and have the volume buttons respond. Now that done, I bring the back cover and I begin with the power button side and cover it this way. Now bring our threads. Okay, this way. Right. Okay, so sorry. Begin from down, up, down, up, down, up. I'm going too fast. Kind of think the car plastic on which it was wound decided to break. This is even not supposed to be that long. Right. So this is that. Then bring it this side. Okay. Like that. Along the edges. All the way. Then we get there. This is almost done and only awaits drying. If you're new here, subscribe, and whoever is watching, thank you. I beg, hit the like button, and only if you like the video, of course, such that others may be able to find this video or have it suggested to them. Alright, so that's it for this Oppo a57 or a57. Okay, there wasn't battery, so let me charge this and then see you.